Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at all that.
Holy crap, video
The
that.
smoke,
Get that
the
on
smoke.
video.
The smoke.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ever Wonder.
Today we're going to see what happens when you put different items in microwaves.
This should be a fun experiment, so we encourage you to watch to the end because you can see some pretty interesting stuff. When you think of your microwave, you usually think of a tool used to heat up food, but in actuality, it's actually dispersing radiation on your food to generate heat. Well, the study of radiation is actually beyond general understanding, but radiation can have different effects on different objects. For example, we're going to see what radiation can do to soap. Also, we're going to see what it can do to marshmallows. So please enjoy this video, and hopefully you learn something.
For our first test, we're going to be putting soap in the microwave for 10 minutes.
Alright, so I'm just going to put this soap on this wax paper and put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Alright, so let's set this on this wax paper, this bar of soap. Alright. Okay guys, just 2 minutes in, not even 2 minutes in, and it already started like steaming and all that. Let's look at that. Look at that all over the microwave. That's going to be hard to clean, but guys, that is what happens. Let's just get this out of here. God, it's hot. Oh, it's not that hard to clean, I guess. Guys, we're just going to let this cool for a few minutes, and then we'll like show you what it looks like. We're playing around with it. It's really like squishy. It doesn't feel like soap anymore, and like all this part, that's where the soap basically melted. So we'll check back with you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so the soap is like not that squishy. It just, if you try to break it, it breaks up. It's kind of like sand almost, unless it doesn't really go back together. Like, I guess you could make sand out of this. It just is really, really hot, and it takes a while to cool. It took about 5 minutes for it to cool, and I don't recommend you guys doing this because it might ruin your microwave if you don't have proper wax paper. And you know, it has a really, really strong like burning smell to it. Like it has, someone might think you're burning something, but it's really not. It also kind of looks like it's smoking, but it's just steam, and we were kind of worried that it's smoking. Okay, so for our next test, we're going to be putting a few marshmallows in this microwave. See how the marshmallows react to the radiation. Alright, so these are the marshmallows. We're going to put them in here for 5 minutes this time, not 10, because that didn't go well at all.
Oh gosh.
Holy crap. Within a matter of seconds. They're mega marshmallows. Okay, that last paper band on it didn't take it.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at all that.
Holy crap, video that.
Smoke,
Get that
the
on
smoke.
video.
The smoke.
That is actual smoke. Get that out. Oh my god. Never do this. Never do this. Never do this. Holy crap. Get those. That is just melted.
Oh my. It went big, didn't it?
They got really, really big. And they just melted. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. Please click that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions whatsoever, please just leave it in the comment section. We will be answering questions. Like I said, we don't have any questions so far, so we haven't answered them. And please, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like down below. If we get a certain number of likes, we'll do something special. So please be sure to click that like button no matter what. And we are answering all comments so far. Since this is still a small channel, we can have the chance to answer all comments. So when we start getting some comments racked up, we'll answer those comments later.
Thank you, and stay tuned for more.
Catch you guys later.